Did you know that the entrance road to the city of Sutera was what is now called 𝗲𝗃𝗘𝗧𝗏? That's right, 𝗲𝗃𝗘𝗧 was historically the gateway to the city. And its continuation, once you passed Via San Benedetto, is now represented by the modern-day Via Adamo.
On either side of 𝗲𝗃𝗘𝗧𝗏, the Giudecca probably once stood, the old Jewish quarter. In fact, even today, some of the side streets, such as Via Eliseo and Vicolo Giudeo, bear witness to its presence. The very shape of the houses, with external staircases leading to the entrance on the first floor, is a distinctive feature of Jewish urban architecture.
Reaching the end of this street at the end of the 1800s, there stood a historic mill for grinding wheat, on the facade of which a votive shrine of the Immaculate Madonna was prominently displayed. This shrine came from the convent of the Capuchin Fathers, which existed until 1974 near the municipal cemetery of Sutera.
La Madonnina che è a pretezza, c'è un piano per contenere. Al mezzo c'è il serpente, in mezzo di piede, poi la Madonnina.
If you like the video, give it a like.
Please share it.
And hit the follow button so you don't miss the next videos.